I had to place my order before they shut down TikTok.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high.
Y'all, I am sick. Why did my man tell me that he was tired of seeing me in the same wig? I was going for everyday classic. I was going for timeless. This is why I say consistent style is not for everybody, because I am a switch your hair up type of girl. He's known me to be that, and the moment I become consistent with one hairstyle, he want to look at me crazy. Excuse my voice, I'm recovering from a cold. Flu season has got me. I cannot wait until summer. Bypass spring. I hate the spring. I have seasonal allergies. Y'all, when he said that thing to me, I was like, thank God my new wig came in the mail today, because girl, my flowers were gassed. He actually was trying to convince me to make my hair burgundy. I'm not gonna do that. This is a wig from CurlyMe Hair. I've had a wig from CurlyMe Hair before. It was super cute. My man put her in the washing machine. Technically, he owes me another wig, but we're gonna get into that on another day. This is such a cute packaging. Look at this little bow. I had to place my order before they shut down TikTok. Let's open her up. This is the CurlyMe information if y'all care, but the unboxing is like what I'm here for. This is what she looks like in the bag. I got her 18 inches. That was the most common selection. So funny. Before I ordered her on the TikTok shop, I was like, girl, let me just put it in my car and CurlyMe and order another time. The price difference, girl. I'm telling you, everything is cheaper on TikTok shop. When I pulled up that wig, the price for the 10 inch cost more than the price for the 18 inch on TikTok shop. I was like, yeah, I gotta order this before the app is gone. Okay, so this is her. Do we think she looks lengthy? Do we think she's giving length? Okay, babes, the hair texture is kinky, curly. That is my very favorite type of hair. As usual, I got it in a Beyonce balayage. What is this? A 2730, I think, probably. Taking her out of the package, she does smell like bleach. Not really funky, just like processed. Okay, so this is what the lace looks like. I'm pretty sure. Okay, this is the lace range. So really, you could do a middle part or you could do a side part. Those are your options. I'm about to just put a little something on the cap. I should know the OG. We're going in with Ruby Kisses in 4. I feel like I could elevate to like 5 or 6, but whatever. I usually use this shade because it's more yellow. I actually never used to have any trust in glueless wigs until I bought one and I wore it to Puerto Rico with my man, because I was like, if I glue down a wig and go to Puerto Rico, like that entire wig is going to slide off. When I went there, I was like, wait a minute, she is holding up, okay? I feel like glueless is perfect for like vacations in a tropical place. And like we were swimming and doing a stuff, like we were in a helicopter and she did not come off. So I was like, and it was this exact brand, but the wig was in black. So it's really heavy on don't judge something till you try it, because I am like literally obsessed now. When like the lace gets tied and you could start to see the lifting, then I glue her down. But I've been gluing stuff down with like spritz. I'm not here for the excitement anymore. Like I'm an old lady. I can't. I want to look cute quickly. You know what I'm saying? When you're bald, you know the struggle of needing to have a really good wear and go style or a wear and go hair routine. My hair did not fully lift to the color that I wanted it to lift to. Like the front, it got where it needed to be, and then the rest of my hair is brown. Some miscellaneous strands like right here basically lifted to the color, but the rest of it is staying brown. I'm trying to wait a little bit before I do the rest of it, but that really hurt my heart, okay? I'm not even going to glue this cap down. This is actually my least favorite type of cap. They're so thin. I'm gonna put both of them on. I just need my hair to be flat. If you say anything about my hair, you're racist. Anyways, let me put these things on. It does not look like it got much flatter, but y'all see how this kind of matches my eyebrows? I already know not to be disappointed, because I feel like every single time you initially put on a curly glueless wig, you be looking like you have on an unfinished Jerry curl. This is what she's looking like, basically not brushed out at all. She is a very snug fit, okay? Like she is snug like a bug in the rug. Look how tight the curls initially come. This reminds me of like crochet spring hair. So first, I'm gonna just see what brushing through her is gonna do for us, because where else can you start? You know who I feel like I look like? Do y'all know that white woman that pretended to be black? It makes me sad that I even had to make that comparison. That's what I look like. Like, I know y'all have seen Insta and TikTok baddies with their hair just like this. Like, that is so cute. But let me report on what we actually care about. This is the amount of shedding that I've had through that rake through, and I feel like for a processed wig, me raking through this entire thing, that this is not that bad. But I will say there's a couple pieces that I can't pick up that is just straight breakage, which is obviously expected because it's kinky curly and it is a processed wig. Obviously this is a bleach color, but I feel like if you are like me and you're growing out your hair, or you have a shortcut and you want to have a natural wig to mimic what your natural hair looked like and you want it to be lighter, I don't feel like this is like that terrible of an option. I chose this colorway instead of getting the black again. One, because I felt like it was so cute, and two, I was like, if I feel like it's too light, I could always just dye it brown. That was actually my initial intention. And then I saw that they also had a reddish brown wig. Saw when my order was already shipped and stuff. But I do feel like she's cute, and if you're into forehead fishing, like, you could show full forehead. That's usually what I do. Or you could go forward and it doesn't even matter. It fits, it's snug. I feel like, yeah, you could kind of see the lace a bit, but I don't think it's like super noticeable. So this is what the back of the hair looks like. I did not brush through it as much as the front, so it's probably not as puffy, but this is what she looks like. But I do feel like she's suited for everyday wear. I think she's actually such a cutie pie, and I cannot wait to do more styles on her. But for right now, I'm really loving this like blown out, messy, no product afro look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Have you guys ordered this hair? And if you did, what did you think about it? Do you guys get hair from CurlyMe ever, or what? And if you are one of my bald head girlies, or you just like this wig, I'm gonna leave the link to it down below. I'm gonna leave the link to TikTok shop, which is where I got it, which fingers crossed, I hope they really do not cancel it. But if not, I'm gonna leave the link for it on CurlyMe hair just in case. Thumbs up if you haven't already, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below what you guys think about this hair, what you guys think about this color, if you've ever tried the brand, anything. Let me know down below. Any styles you want to see me try on her? I know I definitely want to try some wand curls. And yeah, I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.